absolutely bonkers. It's so slow. I mean, the game itself is quick, but the plane itself is so slow. But what a view! And this is Rally Island, basically. I've literally gone so high, it's stupid. Them star effects coming up from the plane. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hoops. There goes the other plane again. And I did actually manage to get onto the other island as well. You see the volcano there. I managed to jump the stones to get to the island. It's just excessively hard to get into certain areas, but it's all there. You can't get past these 2 bridges. There's another island down here, but you can't get along the 2 bridges. It's just silly. But it works. It's not slow anymore. It should be properly opened up, especially them 2 bridges, and easier to get onto this one. You have to jump up flipping palm trees and on top of a gate and jump down. It's just not necessary. Anyway, I better try and do this quest again. It says you get a coin at the end, but I've refreshed and it doesn't happen. But it's fine. They just need to take it a bit further. It seems to be split into 2 different areas, 3D Rally and Rally Island, which seems a bit strange, but it does work.